Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I'm coming at you today with a quick makeup video using a couple of new products that I have been excited to try out and present to you guys on my channel. And that is the Dior Backstage Foundation. I have two different shades that I'm having to mix together to get what you see on my face, along with the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, which I am loving, you guys. Today was the first time that I used the eyeshadow palette. I've been using the Dior Backstage Foundation over the last couple of weeks, probably the last 2 weeks, to kind of see how I feel about it. I do have a couple of different concerns, but I will save that for my review video coming up on Friday. I will be doing a foundation Friday, doing a full review and a couple of different wear tests on this foundation, and I'm really excited about that. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I suggest that you go ahead and do so now and turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you are interested in seeing me try on the Dior Backstage Foundation and the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, please keep on watching. Okay, divas, we are going to jump right into the video, but we're going to start it out with a little bit of skincare today. I'm going to be applying a little bit of the Origins Ginseng Gel Moisturizer along with the Refreshing Brightening Depuffing Eye Cream. Not a lot. I did slay my brows, if I do say so myself. Now the eye cream. Then I'm going to go ahead and prep my lips. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the Laneige Sleeping Mask. My lips have been crusty lately. So now that that is out the way, we're going to go ahead and dive right into the eyes. And today we are going to be using a brand new product, and that is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is the very first time that I've used it. I've literally not even touched the palette. I haven't purchased any eyeshadow palettes from Urban Decay in quite some time, so I am actually pretty excited about it. So we're gonna do we're just gonna freestyle basically. So I see that I'm gonna go in with Riff, and this reminds me of the Cork eyeshadow by MAC, and it's this over here. It's brown with a nice little peach undertone. It is matte, and this is just going to be a transition color for me. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M532 brush. Y'all, I'm sorry. I went ahead and prepped my eye before I applied any eyeshadows off camera with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Just the original. That's like a holy grail product. I've been using it for years. Next, I'll go in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take, ooh, I might want a smaller brush. Let's see. Let me change it to my MAC 217 brush. And the reason why I changed it is because I want to concentrate the color. I don't want to blow it out as much as I did that Riff color. So I'm going to take Baja. And it's a burnt orange color. It's pretty. All right, so next I'm gonna take Hell Rod, and we just gonna go with the flow here. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Hell Rod, and it's this color. And this is kind of like an angled fluffy brush. I'm gonna work that in. Then I'm going to take Punk and my little bitty Morphe crease brush. And I'm only going to apply this on the out. I'm not going to blend it in like I did Hell Rod. I'm just going to concentrate on the outer part of the eye. And this is Punk. Okay, so that's that. I'm liking how it's turning out so far. Then I'm gonna take, we're gonna get ready and do my lid color. I have an idea. I don't know why, but I'm feeling Big Sky right now. So I'm thinking I want to pop that on the lid. I'm gonna lay down my glitter glue. And really, I do this to help guide me, not so much for glitter. It's just a really good adhesive, really. You could use a concealer if you wanted to. And I'm going to be using a Crown SS031 brush. It's the synthetic brush to lay down this product. Okay, so before that dries down completely, let me take a brush. It's the brush that I always use. Cheap, no name, been having it forever. And I'm gonna take Big Sky. Beautiful. Then I'll just take a little bit more of that Punk color, this one, just to blend the edges. Not adding any more color. Actually, I might add just a little bit more color and blend out the outer corner. And that's the look. I'm gonna finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the eyes are almost complete, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the face. And today we're gonna be using the new Dior Backstage Foundation. I have two different shades here because I only ordered 4.5W and 5W because they are not in store. So we're gonna have to just make it work. Neither one of them match me exactly, but you know, we can get a custom shade by mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Cuddly Beauty Elixir. I love this stuff. Okay, and stupid cars. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep my cheek area. Actually, where's my... First, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Touche Clock Blur Primer. Okay, so then I'll go in with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer, and I'm just going to put that in on my cheek area. Okay, so I'm going to already tell you that I've used this Dior foundation before, and all I did was use my Too Faced Hangover RX, which just really preps the skin. It doesn't control oil, it doesn't mattify or any of that. And honey, I look like a straight grease ball by the end of the day. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out some reinforcements to counter that. So what we're gonna do, well, we've already got the face all prepped. I'm gonna go in, which one is this, with 4.5 W, and I need a lot because this foundation is liquidy, and I'm gonna build it up to medium coverage. A few drops of 5 to deepen up the shade. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Sephora number 56 brush. So basically what I'm doing is slowly building up the foundation. I'm going to go in with the rest and then my beauty blender. I'll spray my face with some more beauty elixir and then go in with my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. Okay, so I think that we are blended. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera and finish up the face, and we'll be right back. I am gonna take my Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon, which I do love, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line. So this is a C149 brush by Crown. And I'm just going to go in and take a little bit of Hellride. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Punk, and it's that brown color that we used, and put that in on the outer portion of the eye. That is the eye, honey. So now that we got our face set, we can put our powder away. Okay, so that is pretty much the finished look. I'm going to jump off camera to apply mascara to my bottom lashes, and my lashes for today are going to be some new ones that I never tried before, and that is the Ardell Faux Mink 817s. And I'll be right back. Okay, divas, I am back and the lashes are on. These are just some really lightweight lashes, and I really love the band. It's so thin, and well, it says that they're really lightweight. So yeah, I'm really feeling these faux minks from Ardell. This is the first time that I'm trying these. This is gonna wrap up the look for today. I'm liking the Dior Foundation. I went ahead and mixed 4.5 and 5 because last time I used it, it oxidized on me. So we'll see how it wears this time. But this is not the review video. That's probably going to be coming up Friday. So you guys stay tuned for that. I hope that I prep my face well enough so that the oils won't push through like they did last time. Because last time, whew, it was a mess. I do tend to have really oily skin in the summertime. So yeah, this is what I'm working with for today, and I hope that you guys like this look. I'm really feeling the new Born to Run palette. I really do feel like this is this is probably the most complete eyeshadow palette that Urban Decay has come out with. It's just a really beautiful palette. This is the very first time that I've used it. I will continue to use it so that I can go ahead and do a review on it, and I will probably most likely be doing a few more looks on it. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up, and until the next time, divas, I will see you later. Bye.